I wrote these 4 walls for the soundtrack of a film I made called Music from the Big House. This was a journey down to Louisiana, Angola specifically, and I went inside Angola prison. It's one of the bloodiest prisons in America. And the funny thing about this prison is that it also, with all its violence and everything, it was home to a lot of blues artists because it was right in the Mississippi Delta. So a lot of the men that ended up there a lot of them were musicians, including Leadbelly and Pete Williams and Hogman Maxey and stuff like that. So I went in, and to make a very long story short, I'll try. This song was inspired by the fact that, like, social injustice causes people to do things that they wouldn't otherwise do. It's about heartbreak. It's about, you know, trying to have some compassion about, you know, realizing that, you know, it's not always bad people that do bad things, and sometimes, you know, life circumstances lead people to do things that they wouldn't otherwise do, and that's some of the men that I met down there, part of my experience.
You see these bars, you see these chains, you think you don't know me, I have no name, 'cause all I have, these 4 walls, yeah, these 4 walls, these 4 walls. I had a mother, a father too. No, you can't believe I was a lot like you. 'Cause all I have, these 4 walls, these 4 walls, yeah, these 4 walls. Well, I had a wife, and I saw that man, I watched him die, I took his life took mine. Forgiveness on this earth don't come, Lord, not till they lay you down, and Lord, they're gonna lay you down one side one. So I said, just take me now, Lord, 'cause all I have are these 4 walls, these 4 walls. Well, I had a wife, and I had a son, and man, they were hungry, and I had a gun, and I saw that man, I watched him die, I took his life took mine. Forgiveness, Lord and Lord, Lord and Lord, it don't come nowhere. No, Lord, when they lay it down inside these 4 walls, yeah, these 4 walls. I said, now take me now, Lord, 'cause all I have